Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today. We're going to be using our base colour olive out of our Elements range, and we've got Bob Long gel press. And now I'm going to use my Brushos. I've got my fan brush here. I'm going to start with a little bit of the yellow, some of that lovely orange. Moss green here as well, and pop a little bit more orange down the side here, a little bit more moss green. I am topping off first because I only want small speckles. So I've got some of our cream Multifarious card here, and all I'm going to do is pop that over the top. I love this technique. You never quite know what you're going to get, but it's always something unexpected. And now taking our lovely toadstool, I'm going to ink this up in the Nocturne. And I'm going to pop our lovely hare on top of the toadstool. And we've got our other little hare that's going to sit at the bottom looking up at what his other little friend is doing. I've got one of our hill masks here, so I'm just going to take that just over the bottom of the toadstool and the hare's feet here. I'm using a stencil brush, and this time we're going to use Twilight. Flick the brush upwards. It just gives it a little bit of depth down here at the bottom. And then I've got another little foliage stamp here, and this time we're inking up in Shady Lane. Now I'm going back to the Twilight. I've got another little foliage stamp here, and all I'm going to do is just stamp in and around that mushroom, so it looks like it's sitting amongst all that lovely foliage. And we've got a worded stamp here as well, a lovely verse. This is just a Posca pen, and I'm just going to fill in those spots on the toadstool, and again this will just make that image stand out that much more. And let's just pop a few little dots down at the bottom here, a few little orbs. And lastly I'm going to pop a little bit of glitter. Let's go with the mermaid blue. So I've got my glue pen here, and then I'm going to just dot a few little spots in and around those orbs. And there we have our lovely finished card using the gel press. So quick and easy, and what a great background. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's demonstration, guys. You take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.